and many more. Where and how will I use the learnings of this project? The skills I learned in this project will help me throughout my life, wherever I have to interact with people, in taking important decisions, servicing my customers, meeting customer expectations.
Thank you, Mariam. Thank you for sharing your journey. Let's give a big hand. It was really nice going through, I think, and being a facilitator in home economics. So I joined a little late after a few sessions, a couple of sessions. But I think the efforts and the enthusiasm you have shown in this journey is worth appreciating. I will request Dia with her presentation. Dia Patel.
Dia Patel. Hello everyone, good afternoon. So it is me, Dia Patel, who is presenting you the project showcase of ECCP selling food to the superstars. This is my journey of learning how to sell the food to the superstars. It was a very unique experience. I saw my mother making the food and her technique, how she easily made food. I was firstly nervous that how will I make food, and I was not an expert in making my dish. I was scared of these hot droplets that may fall on me as we do the tadka. This is my customer, Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor is a follower of healthy diet and traditional food. So I've added my dish in a healthy way, and I've also made my food dish into a traditional way. These are the skills learned. I've learned many skills from my mom and my teachers, and I've been first time making food very nicely. And there are many skills learned, like to mix the spices into the main sauce, or maybe the measurement of the spices to be mixed in it. I also learned to twist my product according to my customers' likes and dislikes. This is how I twisted my dish to my customers, according to my customer. So I firstly used the olive oil for tadka of dhokla. Then I made a sandwich dhokla by infusing the Szechuan sauce in it, as well as the green chutney. And then I had my dish had three colors. So first was the green, in the middle it was the white, and in the bottom was the red. And I replaced the sugar with jaggery, because jaggery is more healthy than sugar. And I created the dhokla in the shape of a pizza. Like people get attracted with the shape of a pizza a lot. And people are also very conscious about their calories. I've also mentioned the calorie count in the menus. This is what I learned from the project. I learned to entrepreneur and sell the food to others. And I also had a very nice and interesting experience of making my own menu and a logo. I also learned to enlarge my thoughts to make my food more attractive and interesting. These are some twists that we bought in the dish. So we had added new ingredients in the dish. Then we had some changes in the steps of cooking. And to make the dish more delicious and unique, we had some changes in the steps. These are the 4 P's learned: product, price, promotion, and place in our class. These are some of the logos that some of my friends have made in the class of their own food companies. These are the menus that have been made by my friends in the class. So it was a very unique and it was a very nice experience of making menus. this is where and how will I use this learnings of the project. So I'll use this learnings into some contest or any competition, or else I can even use this when I'm hungry and there is no one at the home. I can made it by myself and eat it. And I can also distribute in in my neighborhood and to the people who do not get food to eat regularly. Thank you.
Thank you, Dia. It was a nice experience, and I think the learnings you have shared where you can use your skills in future, I think it has gone beyond your personal use to the people, poor people who do not get food. So you can use your skills over there for social cause also. Thank you so much, Tia. A big hand. So with these two presentations, we just got a beep into curious minds of our students while they were working on these projects, their learnings, their experiences. But working on these complex projects require more than just technical knowledge and skills. Students need to be aware of difficult emotions, different kind of emotions, learn to work in groups, persevere for their goals, and set healthy routines for themselves. In the next segment, we will watch some individual presentations from students on these competences, complex skills of self-enrichment built during the last 8-week self-enrichment program. So I will request Vivan to turn on the camera and start the presentation.
Hi everyone, my name is Vivan Sharma and this is my presentation for SEAC integration program. So my competency was for making a routine, and I'll explain how did this program help me in this. First thing was that it made me focus. The routine that I made was very strict and helped me focus more efficiently. And another thing that it helped me be was to never be bored. Routines are made in such a way that you don't have time to get bored in your daily life. And the third thing is sense of prioritizing. Routines also help us prioritize our work added to these things. The key skills that I learned was management and memory. For management, routines made me able to manage my day more efficiently, and routines also improve my ability to memorize. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivan. It was a nice deep into your journey of home economics as well as self-enrichment, how they integrate among themselves and how one is necessary for other. I will request Dia Padiyar if she's there. Dia? I think she's got disconnected. She was earlier there. Yeah, Dia Padiyar is here. So Dia, you can start with your presentation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just a second.
Share screen is enabled, Dia.
Ma'am, the share screen is happening, but I'm just opening the presentation.
It's okay, Dia. You take your time.
my EC program of life. My competency, emotion management. How did this program help me? It helped me how to control my emotions. Emotional management helped me how and what way should I control my emotions in specific situations. What are the states of my emotions? They help me understand the state of my emotions, for example, the resident state. It helped me how should I be happy in certain situations. It helped me to stay happy in however situation I am and what makes me happy. These skills I learned. Knowing my emotions and its state. It helped me recognize what emotion I am facing and what is the state and how should I be calm in that particular situation. It helped me to calm myself. It helped me to stay calm in emotions. Either it's angry, sad, and calm. It helped me to know what states of my emotions are like. Resilience. Irrigation of my SE and EC projects. How can SE competencies help me with EC? It helped me in EC to stay calm and how to react in any emotion. For example, when we work very hard to make the dish perfect, but still when it does not taste as we expected, then we get sad and angry. So that's where EC helped me to motivate myself to cook and stay calm. It helped me to stay calm to wait the dish to cook. For example, if I'm making the cake won't bake in a minute. It takes time. So it helped me to be calm and impatient, because honestly, I'm very impatient and get angry. That's when EC helped me. How can you build these skills? I think I can build these skills by meditating and stay happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Dia. It was a nice deep into your journey of home economics and how your SE skills got integrated with it. Thank you so much, children, all the children who presented. It was a nice experience to listen to your journeys, your experiences, your reflections. And I congratulate you for this very happy showcase, very pleasant showcase. We have had a great time during our sessions, especially with you when maybe 4 sessions I have been with you, 3 or 4 sessions. I'm sorry, but it was really nice working with you. And excuse me.
Unmute. Mridul ma'am, unmute yourself.
I have many such experiences where I have learned from you. So we hope that you will continue with your journey in the coming months with the same enthusiasm, with the same excitement,